How's it going, everyone? Welcome to yet another Coinsider live stream. I'm your host, Kevin, and today we have an action-packed one because Bitcoin is over 50K, around 52K now, shocking everyone, shocking me included, and it's the perfect time to go hunting for projects to put on our radar. So that's what we're going to do in today's stream. It's going to be a Q&A style free flow stream, and basically you share with me in the comments any project you want me to take a look at, maybe a quick description of it, and I'll take a look. And super chats will take priority. Or if you share with me some interesting news event, then I will cover that too. I want to be very clear here that some people were like watching my previous stream and they were like, this isn't doing research. You're only taking like a 2-second look at a project. Well, yeah, that's the point. I'm not going to do deep research on a live stream, or else it would be one project for the whole stream, right? So that's not what we're going to do here. We're only going to take a quick look at each project and see if it's worthy of a closer look. And then we do research later. I'll write it down on my notes here and then do research later. And then maybe it's worthy of a small allocation and maybe not. But most of them I will just quickly write off, and I can do that with a short look just based on the sector they're in or their tokenomics or things like that, right? I mean, maybe sometimes I'm wrong, but there's hundreds of opportunities anyway, so I'm not really that concerned if I'm wrong about like one or two here or there. So just FYI. Okay, one sec. Let me turn up my mic volume a little bit. Does this sound better, folks? Hopefully this sounds a little bit better. Just let me know, and we shall begin. 1 second. Let's see. Share screen. Oh wait, I wanted to say one thing first. So this stream is brought to you by our partner and sponsor, Kraken Pro. More on them in a bit. Okay, let me share my screen. So check this out. Bitcoin is the number 10 asset in the whole world right now at 1 trillion, just above. Higher than Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett, the big hater, beat them. Hopefully can beat silver soon. I wouldn't be surprised. That's only a tiny bit away, and silver barely moves like Bitcoin does. And then couldn't beat all these other people. Oh, that would be crazy. Let's see where this bull cycle goes. I could see it maybe getting to number 5. I mean, I think Nvidia will go higher, but what do y'all think? Where do you think Bitcoin ends up on this list of top assets by market cap by the end of the cycle? Let me take a look at some of the comments. And yes, we will take a look at all the projects y'all listed, but I'm just taking a quick look at the context here. And also look at this strength. Like, this is the monthly chart for BTC, and just a month ago in January, it was at 39K, now at 52K. This incredible strength. It's simply amazing. Simply amazing. Okay, so let's take a look at. Oh, I remember I heard about this. They had an airdrop, Andrew. Thank you for the super chat. Gaming Coin and the ARP ecosystem and Flix. Look, guys, I only want to do one at a time, even if you super chat. So I'll cover XAI or Xi or however you say it. Or by cover, I mean take a quick look, and let's see. Is this the right one? Which one is the Arbitrum ecosystem? This is the Arbitrum ecosystem one. It just launched recently in first of all, this will come out maybe Polkadot ecosystem in like 1 or 2 weeks. It's taking some time because those take a lot of time to make, just FYI. Anyways, back to XAI. Arbitrum ecosystem, let's take a look. Blockchain gaming developed for mass adoption. XAI. So if I'm not mistaken, this is kind of like a platform for games like Steam. I'm sure a lot of y'all play Steam, right? Yeah, client. Or no, this is run a Sentry node. Okay. Arbitrum. Oh, it's a layer 3 gaming blockchain. I really hope they don't make layer 4s, layer 5s. That's just too much, you know? Keep it within layer 0, layer 1, layer 2. Layer 3 I already feel like is too much. But what do y'all think in the chat? Maybe can the moderator, can you throw up a chat to say how many layers? Is layer 3 too much? Or a poll, I mean. Throw up a poll in the chat. But if not, then it's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's see. Network games. Final for all these card collectors. I don't even like those card games like Gods Unchained and all those other card games. Who here actually plays those card games? I mean, I think they're decent, but okay. Anyways, futuristic, on-chain RPG, I guess. That's like DeFi Kingdoms. It reminds me of that at least. Origami theme world. I mean, look, ultimately, these games just need to be fun. That's the most important thing about any of these gaming platforms. Let's see, what is its market cap, though? Its market cap is 200 mil already. Y'all probably can't see this, but I'm reading it out verbally. 200 mil, 2 bill fully diluted. Can it get to... Oh, it's only 11% circulating. So can it get to... I don't like the risk and reward. I think it's a promising new project, but 2 bill, only 11% circulating. Peak bull market, maybe this can get to 20 bill, 10x, but I would be shocked if this goes further. That's me. So thank you for that, Andrew. If you have other comments about it, then let me know. If you have other thoughts. See, here's the thing, folks. Like, y'all know these projects more than me. You can ask me for a quick thought, and I'll take a quick look. But if you know things that I may have missed and be like, they just had a huge partnership, or their game has already had 1 million players, then let me know and I'll look that up specifically so everyone can hear, okay? And just reminder, remember the person who told me in the comment of the previous live stream, they're like, you're just looking at each project for 2 minutes. That's not research. I'm not claiming that this is going to be deep research, folks. This is just a cursory look so we can write it down on our notes to do deeper research if we feel it's promising enough. And XAI or Xi, however you want to pronounce it, I do think this is promising and worthy of a closer look. But we're not going to spend the entire stream researching it. That's not what we're doing here. Okay. Kudos. Haven't heard of that one before. Sometimes y'all ask me to look at the same theme stream after stream, but this one I haven't seen before. Kudos, 100 mil. When did it launch? 2021, and I haven't heard of it. Could this rocket to... Oh, look, see, folks? When you toggle between the price and market cap, the price is still not at all-time highs, but market cap is already nearing all-time highs. That is why we look at the circulating supply, because the market cap goes up when there's more supply getting released. That's why we care about that. But at 59%, 58%, it's not that bad. Let's look at what it does, though. Blockchain computing network. Build on so many of these freaking blockchains. So many backers. I haven't heard of any of these backers. What is this? Kudos.org. Animoca Brands, okay, I have heard of them. Outlier Ventures, I have heard of them. Okay. Is this gaming too? Kudo. A fairer cloud. Kudo's compute. About us. A decentralized cloud computing network. Isn't that similar to Render Network, folks? IT hardware. Render does cloud like with GPUs, decentralized network of GPUs. Layer 1 network providing scalable distributed computing direct to smart contracts or any bridge blockchain. Okay, so this is more like a platform, like a layer 1 platform rather than a cloud compute network for like rendering graphics or AI stuff. Yeah, I mean, okay, well, at least it looks like they're not England. At least they look real. But it just doesn't excite me. You know, there's other layer 1 networks that I find more exciting. Like Injective, maybe. I'm putting out a video about Injective later, so y'all should subscribe if you want to catch that one. Anyhow, this NEF will not be going on my short list to research. Jake, thank you for the super chat. Let's check this out. Also a new one that I haven't heard of. See, so many projects to consider. Thank you all for putting new things on my radar even. Okay, this launched really recently. Wow, January 24th. Okay. 100% circulating. And this is true. This is great. 60 mil. Okay. So far, so good. Banking done right. Neo banking app. Oh, okay. So this reminds me, this is like a crypto.com. A mini crypto.com. They're obviously not on their level. They don't have a previously Blockbank. I still haven't heard of them though. Okay. Exact match could not be found. Didn't have a LinkedIn. Lithuania. Yeah, okay. I mean, will they become a crypto.com? No. I would bet everything against that. Could they do a 10x at the peak of the bull? Maybe. They do have favorable tokenomics if all these things are right. But it's not one I'm super excited about, even though I do think they have room to grow. I saw another one. I don't remember the name. There's another one that's similar to this. But yeah, like all these neobanking ones I consider to be in the same space as crypto.com, right? Wouldn't y'all agree? Let me just scroll through the comments real quick. Hello, everybody. I will try to get to some of these other ones, especially ones that haven't been asked in previous ones, in previous streams. But like I said, super chats do get priority. So once the super chats are done, I'll try to get to other ones, especially new ones. Mika Hall, thank you for the super chat. AMKT. Also have not heard of that. Alongside Crypto Market Index. Okay, it's an index, right? Let's check this out. Alongside. Oh, I have heard these are like basket tokens. Yeah, index tokens. Kind of like set protocol, but different. There was an index team that did this in 2017, the ICO days. Do y'all remember? What was the name? They did indices. Oh, backed by A16Z, Franklin Templeton. Ooh, I like that. But this is just buying a token that tracks the market, right? If I'm not mistaken. AMKT token represents a basket of crypto assets designed to track the market capitalization. Yeah, so if you just want to bet on all of crypto, I mean, one way to do it is just to buy Bitcoin, but another way to do it is AMKT. Of course, we'd have to just do a little bit more due diligence on how this works so you don't get screwed. But this looks quite interesting. Micah, if you have any other, whatchamacallit, if you have any other thoughts on this, see, folks, I will take a look at whatever project y'all say, but if you have more interesting stuff to share about each one that you want everyone else to hear about, or that you want me to search for and bring it to everyone's attention, then just let me know in the chat and I'll take a look. Otherwise, it's just a very cursory look, because all we're doing, like I said multiple times, is taking a quick look to see if it's worthy of further research. This is not meant to be deep research. If you want a deep research, watch my well-edited 10-minute videos where I do a ton of research with my team. Here, it's just a quick couple-minute look to see if it's worthy of deeper research. By the way, if y'all can give a quick like to the stream, that'd be insanely helpful. Oh, you see, I started looking into it too. Yeah, I mean, this looks interesting. It's not a project token, but it's an index of the whole market. So quite interesting. Janet Yellen, thank you for the super chat. Osmosis. Yeah, Osmosis is a well-known one though, but we can take a look, of course. Osmosis. It's big already. 750% circulating. Not bad, not bad. Okay, market cap. Yeah, it has room to grow. All-time high 11. Ooh, it's a 10x to all-time high essentially. Not bad. A little bit less than 10x, but anyhow, let's take a look at what it is. Interchain Liquidity Lab on Cosmos. See, if you're bullish on the Cosmos ecosystem, then a small-ish allocation into Osmosis makes a lot of sense. Okay. TVL, trading volume, Cosmos exchange. Let's take a look at the ecosystem. Yeah. But see, what does their token do, though? That's my question. If it's only governance like Uniswap, then let me just Google it. Osmosis, Osmo token utility. 2021. 2 years ago. Oh, come on. Okay, 1 year ago. Hopefully this is still accurate. What is Osmosis by... Okay, what is Osmosis? Benefits of holding incentive, provide liquidity in Osmosis pool to gain incentives, staking, governance. Okay. Not bad. It's better than just governance like Uni. You can stake it and provide liquidity to gain incentives. I'm not really sure what the incentives are, but as long as they're semi-decent, it's not bad. Yeah, I like it. Is it going to rocket that much? I could see a 10x at peak bull market to 7 bill, but much higher than that, Cosmos ecosystem would have to really pop off. I don't know. What do y'all think? What do you think, Janet Yellen? Yeah, DeFi on Cosmos would do well, exactly. Unique liquidity pools and a great DEX. Okay, that's good to hear. Android Fixer, thanks for the super chat. Like I said, I'll only do one per chat. CTSI. I think we looked at that before. Let's look at ERN. I hope you mean Eternity. Eternity. Okay. 49 mil, 67%. Okay, not bad. But let's see what it is. Android Fixer. Let me know if this is the right one. Eternity. Okay. No, it can't. ERN. This can't be the ERN you're talking about. I'm just going to go to Cartesi instead. 200 mil. Yeah, this. Okay, so far so good. Market cap is already quite high, but it's okay. Matiyahu, thank you for the super chat. But didn't we just talk about this? We just talked about this with Micah. We just talked about it. Unless it's a different one, but yeah. Anyhow, back to CTSI. Tokenomics look decent. 200 mil market cap. Application-specific rollups with Linux runtime. Yeah. This one looks more promising. This one looks more polished. I have heard of it before. They have grants program. It's growing Ethereum's Infinite Garden. Okay, about resources. Okay, community. Documentation. Rollups. Application-specific rollups. So it's like app chain for rollups. Or not app chain for rollups. It's like app rollups per se. Provide your dApp with a dedicated CPU and rollup. Yeah, if you believe in the app chain vision where each dApp will have its own chain or rollup, then this is important. Now the question is, can it break out from all the other competitors out there? There's a lot of projects, but I do think this is a very solid like fundamentals based on what I've seen so far. Requires further research, of course, but thank you for this one. Ondo Finance, Bam Bam, thank you for the super chat. Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance is real world assets, if I'm not mistaken, which is a great niche, great new niche. 300 million, wow, okay. Okay, only about 1 point, or I guess not 1 point, like 13% circulating so far. 2 billion. Ondo Finance. Yeah, institutional grade finance, now on chain. So you can buy dollar yields, treasury, tokenized money markets, backed by the best founders fund, Coinbase, Pantera. Yep, those are the best. Their funds are exclusively invested into multi-billion-dollar, highly liquid exchange-traded funds managed by like BlackRock and PIMCO. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Ondo Finance. At 300 mil market cap, you see some of these are really high quality, but then it's the question of how much higher potential does it have, you know? Like for this 3 bill, yeah, I could see that. Maybe even 10 bill if the RWA niche or sector really rockets, but that's coming to be a stretch in my opinion. Okay, Matiyahu, CQT. Okay, I'll do that for you because Covalent. I think I saw this before, not in this stream, but in prior stream. Oh wow, market cap's already at all-time high or near all-time high essentially. Even though price is down still, that's because 63% circulating. You'll see supply expansion. It does that. Market cap like this, while price like this. See, that's what you see. Anyways, what is Covalent? Gold Rush Kit. Build beyond the block exploit. Tell your dApp story by building rich, informative experience. Real-time data. User-friendly blockchain API. Rich transactions. Broadest blockchain coverage. Richest and most robust data infrastructure. This is like Graph Protocol, isn't it? Private sale participants. Yeah, these are big names. A single unified API for fast, scalable, historical blockchain data. Yeah, this is like Graph Protocol. Graph Protocol. The Graph, I guess that's what it's called. Discover thousands of open APIs. Yeah, exactly. Subgraphs. See, this is very similar. Okay, so let's see how far away are they. 130 mil. Graph Protocol. Oh. Covalent could easily reach this. I do like CQT then. CQT is worthy of a closer look. What did I say earlier? CQT, Cartesi, and then there was another one that I thought was decently promising. I forget. But anyhow, let's go back down. Ondo Finance. Okay, in the poorhouse, great name. Thank you for the super chat. Appreciate you. And first time catching me live. Oh, thanks. Welcome. Future versus Root Network. Oh, wow. Okay, so welcome, but just letting you know, I'm only doing one project per comment, even for super chats, just to keep it moving along. But really appreciate you joining us. And also, we only take a brief look at each one and write it down to see if it's worthy of further research. Anyhow, enough of that. Let's see Root Network. Root Network. Future versus Root Network. Is it this one? Sometimes they all have the same names, and it's hard to say. The Root. Oh yeah, Futureverse. Okay. The Root Network. And let's take a look at Futureverse too. Revolutionary AI Metaverse. Well, they got the narratives down. AI Metaverse. Okay, but what is this? Futureverse platform, comprehensive technology platform. Wallet SDK. Asset pipeline. Okay, it's a platform. Own, train, and trade unique artificial intelligence via digital brains. Those are probably NFTs, right? ASM protocol powers a leading AI gaming platform. Casual AI games. Futureverse in the AI markets. Root protocol. Yeah, I mean, this looks solid so far. Let's take Root Network. More than just a blockchain, Root Network enables seamless user experience and asset interoperability. Okay, I like this so far. It's worthy of a closer look. 80 mil, only 8.6. Come on. Oh, so disappointing. Only 8%. We're going to get eaten by the supply expansion. Bybit, Uniswap. But maybe that doesn't matter during a bull market, okay? Maybe it doesn't matter that much. But eventually we're going to get eaten by this supply expansion. So let's work based on this 1 billion fully diluted. 10 bill, 15 bill. Yeah, I could see that. I could see a 15 bill, 20 bill at the max. Anyhow, I'm going to write down Root for further research later. Thank you, Into the Poorhouse. Matiyahu, yeah, I just saw your thing. You didn't have to do another super chat, but okay, I'll look at push in a bit. But first, remember this stream is brought to you by Kraken Pro, so I want to give a quick message to them before we get back to push and Neutron and all these other great ones, okay? All right, guys, I want to share with you 3 reasons why you gotta try out Kraken Pro today. Well, this is not one of my reasons, but I've personally been using Kraken for years now, so I swear by them as one of the best exchanges out there. But my first reason is that they give you one of the most customizable trading experiences in the entire crypto world. Now, I know you traders love to customize everything. Like you want your charts to look a certain way, you want your lines to be a certain color, etc. Well, that's why you're going to love Kraken Pro, because they have this custom layouts feature that lets you build your trading interface exactly how you like it. You can drag and drop, resize, move a bunch of widgets around, and you can add things like the order book, your overall portfolio view, favorite pairs, and more. Anyhow, my second reason to try them out is their awesome price alerts. Check this out. I can add price alerts for any coin just by clicking on their price chart. It's as easy as that. And then when it's set, I will get notifications on web and on my Kraken Pro mobile app. So yeah, that's so useful when I'm away from my computer and gotta jump back on to snipe a great entry. But then, don't sleep on my third reason to try Kraken Pro, which is their best-in-class liquidity. Check this out. This is data from The Block, showing slippage for some of the top exchanges out there. Guess which exchange is the purple line that's at the bottom most of the time? Well, that'd be Kraken, which is where Kraken Pro gets its liquidity from. And that means you'd receive more coins when buying with the same amount of money. Anyhow, you got custom layouts, you got price alerts, and you got super low slippage. What else could you ask for as a trader? Just go try them out using my link in the description. Oh, and this is not investment advice. Crypto trading involves risk of loss. All right, guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for that quick break a word from our partners and sponsor, Kraken Pro. I really do use Kraken myself and highly recommend them. So if you want to check them out, please use my link in the description. But now back to the show. Okay, so Matiyahu, because you gave a second super chat, you didn't have to, but I'll look at push as well. Push protocol. I think it's push protocol, right? I like this a lot in the past, but it never really went anywhere. Let me just say that. So I'm not sure they have the velocity or momentum to go anywhere this cycle either. I mean, it's interesting, just communication protocol of Web3. This is interesting and useful. I don't know if that many big dApps are like using it though. Like apparently they are, but wow, am I stuck here now? Powered by push, explore integrations, friends of push, maker DAO. It's okay, so push is it's like getting notifications, push notifications. You know how like your apps on your phone, if you got a message or an email or something, you get a push notification. This idea is to do it for on-chain dApps. Like if something happens on a DEX or something happens to your yield farming, levered position, whatever, then it'll give you a push notification. That's the idea. It's a great idea. I like this a lot. When it first came out a long time ago, I mean, look, it came out a long time ago. Oh, it rebranded. Oh, okay. That's because EPNS has rebranded, but this was back even before. This was around way back. So it's an older project. I'm not sure I'm that excited about it because it never did well that previous cycle. But hey, it may find some new life this cycle. I do think it's a quality project though, so there's that. It's just my existing experience with it wasn't that great. Like in terms of being let down by its promises or by how promising I thought it would be. Gutter, thanks for the super chat. Let's check on Neutron. I hope it's this one. Ooh, okay. Okay, 500 mil, 30%, 2 bill, Cosmos ecosystem, integrated application network. Why are there so many of these platforms? There's not that developers that are going to build on all these platforms. Just letting y'all know. Most of them are going to be ghost chains. Breakthrough apps without breakthrough. In protocol automation, custom fees, mempools, consensus votes. Deploy once. Other networks over IBC. Yeah, I mean, this is solid. It's just the question of if projects and developers are going to build on there. At 500 mil, 1 bill, Binance, KuCoin, Osmosis. Yeah, if you're in the Cosmos ecosystem, then do take a closer look at this. I don't really have that many things on Cosmos myself, so and I can't access Binance, obviously. So maybe this is not for me, even though I do think it's a solid project. Another one, Gutter, GameSwift. Okay. I have a feeling that's going to be way different from Neutron. This is gaming related, isn't it? Gaming, yeah, okay. Launched in 2023, so not even a year old. 38 mil, 800 mil. Okay, only 4% circulating. That is a huge red flag. I'm sorry. I just don't like. Anyhow, let's take a look. The GS shop, GameSwift merchandise, one-stop gaming ecosystem. So many gaming ecosystems. They need fun games at the end of the day. Choose a favorite game to play from the rich library of high-quality products. GameSwift Studio, world-class team of game and blockchain developers. Yeah, I mean, I mean, Gutter, have you played any of the games? Are they fun? Polygon integration, that's not really that much. Star Heroes, Grant, space shooter game, Star Heroes. Okay. Okay, I mean, this looks okay. I just don't like the 4% circulating. And because of that, I'm out. Sold to Gutter, Ron? What? What are you talking about? RBO. Thanks for the super chat. Let's check out AIT protocol. AIT. What is this? Ooh. Rocketing recently. 5%. Y'all need to stop looking at these like with 5% circulating. That should be a huge red flag. AI big data, okay. AIT tech. AIT protocol. Let's see. Let's see what AI thing this is. Intersection of AI and blockchain. You guys know I already. Wow, can y'all hear the sound that I'm hearing? They have music too. Let me turn that off. Revolution AI, big data, web processing, streamline your workflow, data annotation and training of AI models. Okay. Big data analytics, business benefits. What's open app? Let's open the app. Connect wallet, training to earn, user growth. They don't have that many users, tasks done. Yeah, it's new. It's, I don't know. This reminds me of like the Singularity Net marketplace that has a bunch of things like training models and whatnot. Explore our ecosystem. And they argue that Singularity Net's system is like dead too, or like a ghost town. Yeah, so it could go higher because of the AI narrative, but with 5% circulating, no, I'm not gonna touch it. Coin Cheeky, welcome and thanks for the super chat. BRC20 projects. Personally, I haven't been looking that much into BRC20 just because I don't want to like get the Bitcoin ecosystem assets ready to do that, all that stuff. But let's check it out though. Doesn't mean there aren't promising stuff there. Orange, ORNJ. Okay, relatively recent. Wow, it launched in February of 2024. That's just recently. 25%. Really small cap. Okay. Ordinals, so you have to get it on like BitGet, Mexi, Gate, I guess. Let's check it out. Bitcoin meets DeFi and Web3. Decentralized finance ecosystem products to help you access, manage your Bitcoin BRC20 stacks and ordinal NFT. Bitcoin ecosystem. Take the orange pill. Your Bitcoin follows you. NFTs on Bitcoin powered by AI. So this is like a wallet or operating system. So yeah, this is more like a wallet, right? DeFi ecosystem, but it's Orange Wallet as your Bitcoin wallet. It's a wallet ecosystem. Okay, I mean, wallets have coins these days, like Trust Wallet and whatnot. What is this at again? 11 mil? Not bad, not bad. If you want to go on these exchanges, then this could be. I don't want to, and I can't. But if that's you, then Orange may be worth a closer look. So thank you for the call out. Denise, thanks for the super chat. If you have a project, then just write it down below. Check out TVL of AIT. Okay, I will do that, Felix. DeFi Llama AIT protocol. AIT protocol. Where do I check out the DApp radar? AIT protocol. Okay, but where is it? It's TVL. Total value locked. Does it show me that anywhere? AIT protocol. Dude. I don't even know if this is accurate, but AIT protocol, total DEX liquidity TVL only 1.8 million. That's barely anything. That's like a drop. I'm not only considering Super Chat, but there's so much coming in. I need to get through them first, you know? It should show on DeFi Llama, but it's not though. Let me check. AIT. It's not, this is not the same AIT protocol. AI Tech, no, it's not on DeFi Llama. Okay, let's go back. Dennis, yeah, I will get to this, but let me go in order, okay? You don't have to send another super chat. Avalanche, Janet Yellen. Avalanche has set aside 200 mil to invest in specific meme coins. Joe, 90% of meme coins on AVAX are swapped on Joe. Yeah, you are so right about Avalanche meme coins. This one, this one has been rocketing a lot, even this past month. Kok Inu. This is on Avalanche, as you can see. And Trader Joe is the best DEX. Like Trader Joe is the best DEX on Avalanche. 190, almost 200 mil. Tokenomics are not bad, but okay. Let's take a closer look. One-stop decentralized trading. I mean, it's like Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. But this is for the Avalanche ecosystem. Okay. Trade pool stake. Trader Joe token utility. Let's take a slightly deeper look. Joe token. Joe tokenomics revamp. Multi-chain token. Earn boosted. VJoe can earn boosted rewards. Joe staking. SJoe, Stake Joe, VE Joe. Dang, all these DeFi degen stuff y'all do, I swear. This is from 2023, so this is a year ago. Arbitrum and BNB chains rewarded and distributed. Provide stakers with a share of trading fees. Okay, if this is accurate, trading fees for all chains, SJoe deposit fee, then not bad, not bad. If Avalanche ecosystem rockets, and if that is still the case, then that's great utility, and I can see Joe doing decently, even though it's already quite large. What is Uniswap? The hated Uniswap. What are they at? 4 bill. Okay. 4 bill currently. So 2 bill. Yeah, Joe. I like Joe. But you need to get it on its own DEX or OKX, Binance, HTX. Yeah. I like Joe. Thanks, Janet Yellen. I agree with your analysis. Gutter, Arweave. We have looked at that in the past, but thank you for the super chat. I will look at that as well. Arweave is 99% Yeah, he is right. 99% circulating. 700. Wow, it's far from all-time highs, but no, it's like a 7x, a little bit less. Yeah. Arweave is a network like Bitcoin, but for data, permanent decentralized web, permanent storage. Yeah, I mean, there's not that much to say here. Like, it's a very solid project. If you're into the mid caps, this is getting close to large cap, but I consider this like upper mid cap under a bill. Then Arweave is very solid. Binance OKX, yeah. I do like healthy circulating supply gutter, so thank you for that. Bro, my RV has been pumping so hard lately. Glad to hear. Denise, arc block. I told you I would get back to this. So, oh wait, one sec. Someone else said, Latin Slav. Trader Joe is the main DEX on AVAX. Currently, AVAX is used in everyday life by more than 30% of the Turkish population. The chance for AVAX and Joe to continue to rock it is very big. I don't have any way to verify that, but if that is true, then yes, I do agree. That's very bullish. Okay, I will get to this one, RBO, but let me first get Denise's arc block, okay? Arc block, ABT. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that recent rocket ship. What the heck? 2018. Wow, this is an old one. More than half circulating. Okay, what is arc block though? Redefine software architect and ecosystem. Total solution for building. Y'all see how many there are? We just saw another one that's similar to this. And this is old too. Decentralized applications. This is old as in like, what is this? 2018. I don't like old cycle stuff unless it's like the top most solid stuff, most solid projects out there. So for that reason, Denise, I'm out on arc block, even though I think it's probably decent. I'm able. I have not heard anything like that. Is it just a scam? Chances are likely. Let's see. Pandoshi. Is it a scam? Let's ask Twitter. Pandoshi scam. That's the best way to research. Pandoshi, Pambo. All the red flags of a scam coin. Please be vigilant. Pandoshi, airdrop the Pambo token. Another scam just like Pandoshi. A lot of people are saying Pandoshi is. After carrying out extensive research on it, I realized Pandoshi. See, we don't know if these are like fake people or real, but Pandoshi and Mahler is trying to decide if I want to buy into either. Kind of feel like the rug pull quick exit scams though. Yeah, so careful. I mean, we could take a look, but I would be very careful about that. Pandoshi, does it have a Pandoshi DeFi? It's like a meme coin. Pandoshi website. Yeah, this looks like a meme coin, which means I'm not going to. Ecosystem of DeFi ecosystem, Panda chain. Oh, come on. It may not be a scam, but I don't. Yeah, it feels more like a meme coin. Even if they're trying to do stuff, maybe they're trying to be like Floki, I guess. And I don't like doing pre-sale stuff, so for that reason, I'm out on Pandoshi. I would recommend exercising extreme caution. Okay, let's see. Hari. Okay, let's do. I'll get back to the super chats real quick, but Nos Solana. What is Nos? Nos Solana or Nosana? Oh, it is on Solana. Okay, Nos. Wow, it's been rocketing lately. 83%, 200 mil. Okay, what is it though? Powering the AI revolution. What's cost-effective GPU grid? Oh, that's similar to Render Network, right? But for AI inference workloads. Open compute for all. Is this fighting with Render Network? Powering the AI revolution. Introduction. Distributed GPU grid that allows anyone to rent compute power without the usual overhead. Shortage of GPUs. They're also taking advantage of gaming PCs, miners, and MacBooks. Yeah, this reminds me a lot of Render Network, but at 200 mil, 360. How far away is that from Render Network? Let's see. 2 bill. Ooh, okay. Nos is promising. Now, where? Radium, Orca. Yeah, this is Solana ecosystem 1. If you have stuff in Sol ecosystem, Nos may be worth a closer look. So thank you, Hari. Wow. Not patient at all. I just covered your theme, Hari. Did I miss any above arc block? Oh, I did miss one. Coin is not out yet. A Ether. Backed by Nvidia. Is that true that you just said? Not out yet. A Ether. Okay. Decentralized cloud infrastructure. Distributed cloud infrastructure for gaming and AI GPU space. This is all Render Network. There's so many of these days. 200K users, node locations, game studios, backed by the best. You said they're backed by Nvidia? Where is that? I don't see that here. Cloud-based. Oh, this is similar to like Stadia or Nvidia GeForce Now, right? Explore games on any device. Game porting. Or no, maybe I'm wrong about that. Latest in free inference, AI voice interaction. No token yet, you said, right? Oh, an Aether joins NVIDIA's Inception program. That's not the same to say it's backed by NVIDIA, but token generation event in 2024. But yeah, this is worth keeping an eye on. You said it doesn't have a token yet, right? Definitely worth keeping an eye on. In future live streams, please do let us know when Aether's token gets close to launch. Okay, let's keep going. Let us see. Okay, please stop the super chats for now because we are running out of time, but I still want to get through some of these. David, thanks for the super chat. Adam. You see, I think Adam, I don't know what's wrong with Adam. Like, they're changing their tokenomics to be better. At least I think. I have to look that up. But it's just not... It's just been underperforming its fundamentals. And everyone that's building in the Cosmos ecosystem doesn't accrue value to the Atom token, you know? Cosmos tokenomics 2.0. Let's see. Atom tokenomics. It's being proposed, but I think that it failed, right? Cosmos Atom tokenomics 2.0 proposal rejected. I think it was rejected. Yeah, Cosmos Hub's Atom 2.0 proposal rejected. Wait, that was in 2022. What about more recently? Cosmos founder calls for chain split. Wow. Yeah, this was in late 2023, so semi recently. Let's coordinate a split. Adam's double-digit inflation rate. Yeah, Adam's just it's Cosmos is solid. Atom, I don't like that much for many of the reasons we just seen. Okay, let's see. House of Crypto made Aether. You're talking about Aether, right? Aether, however you call it. But yeah, just let us know in the future about it. Okay, no more super chats. Let's take a look at some other ones. Julian, Surya, Nibiru chain. Let's take a look at what that is. I have no idea what that is, but we will take a look. Nibiru chain, Nibi. Okay, looks like it's not launched yet. Next killer app. Why do y'all like so many random layer ones? I swear. Tribe Capital, yeah, Republic, Hashkey, Kraken Ventures, they have decent backers. Do they have they don't look like they have tokenomics. Okay, when are they token listing on major dexes? Yeah, they haven't listed yet. This looks decent once they list. But also let us know in the future if and when it lists, and we'll take a closer look. Oh, has an airdrop at the moment. See, this is why we need y'all's help with things. Okay, I'll take a look at a couple more. BitTensor. Oh, I mean, I own Tau, so I'm happy it's rocketing, but people been arguing with me. Oh wow, look at the price. Look at this rocket ship for BitTensor Tau. It's crazy. 4 bill. How much higher can it go? 40 bill, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I feel like it's super high already. And I was arguing with people. They think BitTensor is going to change the world. I don't think so. I think it's mostly going off the AI crypto narrative hype. Yeah, exactly. Good thing I own some Tau, but I'm still getting railed on by the Tau fans that when I criticized Tau and was like, it's not really going to change the world. It's not going to beat OpenAI for anything. You know? 60% allocation. That's good. That's good. But yeah, okay. Let's see. Anyways, folks, I had a great time today doing this Q&A style, free flow style, checking out projects briefly to see if it's worth doing due diligence in the future, right? That's what we're all about in these streams. Let me know if you like these type of streams. Please smash that like button. I'll do one again next week, most likely, as bull market's continuing to rage on. And also, don't forget to check out Kraken Pro. It's a great platform for all types of traders and investors out there. Just use my link below. And this, as always, is not investment advice. Crypto trading involves risk of loss. Catch y'all next time.